Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Mousumi and today I am going to do a Shein try on haul video. This is my first try on haul video, and if you like what you see so far, please hit that subscribe button down there and also hit the bell button near that. If you click on subscribe button, bell button will pop out and you click on that bell button so that you get notified whenever I put a new video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. What I like about Shein is it comes in really good packaging, and also it has this individual package. uh, it's a bag and it has this zipper here. You open it. This is the first top I have ordered from Shein. um, this is polka dot pink top. It's very elegant and it has this wrap detail in the waist, and it's 100% polyester. Also the ruffle hem sleeve is really pretty, and yeah, pink is my favorite color, so I recommend this. It's really good. The fabric is also so soft. So the second item is this casual Cami mustard crop top. It's a 70% spandex and 30% rayon, and also it's a and it has this spaghetti strap and it's soft. I like this fabric and I recommend this. Third item is also this crop top. Is a basic plain white crop top. It's 100% cotton and is stretchable. I have already wear them. You make my heart beat faster. I'll be a sweet disaster. Also, I have this cute pink top from Shein. It's very cute and it has this detail in the neck, and I don't know what to call this, but they are very cute, and it's 100% cotton. It's stretchable, but it's a little bit loose for me because it's in size M. I should have ordered size S or extra S, I think. I normally wear size M, but then from Shein there are size in large. um, there are large in the size, yeah. So if you are in size L, order S or M, or if you are size S, order size S or extra S. And also they have extra small and extra large. And I also had this cute wallet. Actually, as almost everybody know, I have lost my wallet last year, I think. Yes, last year. But I got myself a new wallet. It says I am not broke, I am pre-rich. This is a perfect quote for me, I think. And it has this slot. I am already using it. I have this cute sling bag. I'm not opening this. Should I open this? Yes, let's check. Actually, I have ordered this for one of my friends and that's why I did not want to open, but let me check if something is wrong, or I mean, if I don't check and if it's broken, then alright, it's perfect. So this is a cute sling bag. Also, I have ordered this cute bud hairband and it's very cute. It has these ears. It's a rabbit headband and it's stretchable. It looks small but it's stretchable. It will fit my head. Yeah, it's so soft and it's so cute. I recommend this. Also, I have few clothes which I have ordered last year and this is from Cloth Factory. I have promised myself that I will wear them this year. I will definitely wear them this year, so I'm sewing this as well. This is 50% cotton and 50%, but you can wear them in summer. It's really cute the flowers, and it has this pocket, it has these buttons, it's in spaghetti slip, and it's a play shoot. It's 100% cotton, and it has this really elegant sexy back detail. I recommend these two. And also I have one more dress which I have ordered from Myntra. If you don't believe me, I will show the tag in the screen. This is a very cute, elegant, sexy dress from it's Stock by Love, and I really love this. I ordered this to wear in my birthday, I guess, but then I was at my sister's home and I did not get to celebrate my birthday. No, it was actually for my last year's. No. I ordered them in June, I guess. I don't know, for some reason I ordered this to wear in some special occasion, maybe Valentine Day or anniversary, but then I did not get a chance to wear them. So I hope you liked my video and my video was helpful to you, and if you like this, please hit that like button and comment down below if you also have clothes from last year and you still haven't wear them. Let me know that, if I am not only the one. I guess I am not only the one. So that's that. I will see you in my next video then. Bye, take care.